Hello everyone. Welcome to this short presentation on how to use an English dictionary. This is Muhammad Gamal, the presenter, and today I'm going to show you how to use an online English dictionary and why it is important to use such a dictionary and how to use it, what kind of information you need to find about a word, how it can help you understand the word in English, and so on. So let's start first by the dictionary. This one that you can see is a Longman dictionary, and actually you can use whatever dictionaries that you like, but the most important thing is to make sure that they are English. And this makes me answer the question of why. Why can't I use a dictionary that translates from English into my own mother tongue? Um, let's agree on something first, which is uh, yes, an English dictionary that translates into your own mother tongue can help you understand a word, but actually, it can be a kind of this word can be mistakenly used. So, for example, you know the meaning of a word like, let's say, eccentric. This what you can see on the screen. Eccentric in your own language, but if I ask you to use it in a sentence, can you use it correctly or no? Here comes the idea. Okay, so an English dictionary helps you to know how to use a word, what part of speech it is, some examples, some kind of verbs and nouns that are used with this word. So let's have an example together. Let's type here in this box um, this word, for example. Okay, and I will choose it. Okay, so this word, which is pronounced essential, you will find that the first thing it appears here is the word family or the part of speech of the other words deriving from this word. So, for example, what is the noun from the word essential? What is the adjective? And the opposite of this adjective? What is the adverb? So, you can find how to derive other parts of speech from the same word. But what I care for, or what is more important for me, is the red part here that you see the word written essential, and the Latin symbols next to it, which shows you how to pronounce a word. But for many people who are not expert with this, you can use these two speakers, the one in red and the one in blue, because when you press them, you can hear the word how it is pronounced in American or in British. So, for example, if we press the blue one,
Essential.
okay, and if we press the red one,
Essential.
so it depends on the accent that you use or the accent that you attempt to learn. Whatever accents, the most important thing that you try to repeat after them. Um, what is needed actually to find about a word is its part of speech, whether it's an adverb or a noun or a verb or whatever, and the meaning in English, again, because you need to understand how it is used. And if it's difficult for you to understand it in English, you can simply read an example with the word used, and it will help you most of the time to understand how to use this word. And with this dictionary also, it has something like a good advantage here, which is you can listen to the sentence. So, for example, you can find the next to each sentence here, there is a black or a gray speaker. If you press it,
A good diet is essential for everyone.
you see, and you will find also the words or the prepositions like for or to, the prepositions that are used with essential, or that, which is followed by a sentence, or do, to do, to plus the verb. So this is very, very, very helpful and useful. And if you move further down, Okay, you will find the other meanings for this word, if they are found, of course, and maybe some synonyms. And another thing which makes many people lose marks in academic exams like IELTS, OET, using the words incorrectly, sorry. How? By using some nouns that are not collocated with this adjective, or by using prepositions that are not used with this word. So this is again a very important part, that you need the collocations, or you need to know the collocations or the words that are used with the word that you are looking up. So here, essential information, essential reading, essential services, with adverbs, absolutely essential. With verbs, this can be regarded as essential, be considered essential. Phrases, you can say perform an essential role in something. So all of this is very important. And one more thing is that you see here that I'm using this dictionary from my mobile phone. This means that if you have an internet access, it is easy to just access it. And I will leave a kind three links for three of the most powerful dictionaries around the world, which are Longman, Cambridge, and Oxford. I hope you find it useful and fruitful for you. Please, if you have any kind of questions or anything you would like to ask about, please let me know in the comments, and I will try to follow up. Thank you so much. See you in another presentation. Bye.